My name's Dave. Just. And I've got issues. Pow! All this goddamn snow. Blizzard of 010. It's like 2.5 feet of snow out this. I can't even get out my front door. Check it out. Check it out. This is the front door. Check out the cat. Check it out. Just pure damn ignorance. Check it out. Blizzard of 010. Ooh. You see that? Ooh. Check it out. Whole damn neighborhood snowed in. Look at the bush. Look at my damn azalea. It don't make no damn sense. Sign the Times. 2012. Man, as humans, man, if we can't handle 2.5 feet of snow, and that shut down a whole damn state, what we gonna do if the real deal really happened? We a bunch of punk ass humans, man. We can't even make it in 2.5 feet of snow. All this 4-wheel drive, 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds. 910 horsepower. A tow 20,000 pounds. F-350. Build Ford tough. You can't drive through this. You can't drive through this. Punk ass humans, boy. We need to be humbled. If this don't humble your ass, I don't know what the hell will. Pitiful. Look at my car. You can't even see the damn car. Pathetic.